Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair fresh and Rebel Twins 3 with your MacBook. So to do this, you have to first close the case, and of course you have to input both earbuds inside. Next you have to use this button, click and hold it, and wait until this indicator blinks 3 times. Right now we can release that button, and next we can simply open this charging case and remove both earbuds. Right now just grab the earbuds and take a look for the indicators. After a few moments, one of the indicator will start blinking quickly. As you can see, here we can find it. So put close both earbuds to your MacBook and then smoothly move to the settings. Right now we have to go for the Bluetooth. Turn it on by tapping on this switcher. Take a look for the nearby devices. We can find our Twins 3, so we can select them. Okay, and right now I can recommend you to go for the sound settings and just take a look for the output and the input device and be sure that Twins 3 are selected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.